We have noticed that in the last 3.5 years, the councillors and people are just wanting to be chairpersons. I don't know the reason why, but no work gets done. You know, all the time there is like this no confidence motion. No, this is the fourth one now that has happened in the last 3.5 years. As no work is being done, you know, no committees are formed. Actually, Dr. Tariq Thomas has visited last Saturday to come and have I think he received a lot of complaints from citizens that the functioning of the Kunkoli Municipal Council is not happening, no works are being done. Also, we have a part-time chief officer, so that is also a hindrance to what's going on here. And he came to take a review of what was going on, and I also at that review I mentioned to him that none of the committees are formed, or if they are formed we don't know about it. They keep telling me I am in the committees, but when I ask them give me an appointment letter, there is no response to that. From 2017 I am putting RTIs about it. No responses given to my RTIs, you know, as to whether I'm in the committee. Let me know so we can do some work. You know, there's supposed to be a road safety and management committee. There's supposed to be a garbage committee. There's supposed to be a village health nutrition committee. There are so many committees that need to be formed where we can actually give information and suggestions so that the council can take appropriate action.
But आता हे जे नवे काउन्सिल असले न्ही तेजे कडल्यान सामान्य कुंकळीकराची किती अपेक्षा आसा
त्याने आता म्हटला तेमी म्हटला, पण आमची अपेक्षा अशी आसा की जी आम्ही सजेशन्स घालता ती डिस्कस पण जावंक जाय.
आम्ही नो कॉन्फिडन्स मोशन हाडले आणि मोशन हॅज बीन एनॉमसली पास्ड आणि इन फेवर ऑफ आम्ही 8 काउन्सिलर युनायटेड येवन मोशन हाडलो आसा. आनीक सो फार 3.5 वर्स जालें कुंकळे म्युनिसिपालिटीक कांयच डेवलपमेंट जालें ना. आनी आतां जे 1.5 वर्स जे पळय उरला तेतूंत आमी मॅक्झिमम डेवलपमेंट आमी करतले, हातूंत कसलोच दुबाव ना. आनी त्या डायरेक्शनान आमी काम करपाक लागलाय. हांवें म्हगेलो एक्स VCP बाब मारियो मोरायस आनी एक्स CP बाय पॉलिटा कार्नेरो हांकांय बी सांगला की दीस ग्रूप वी रिक्वायर्ड टू बी युनायटेड. आनीक दो गव्हर्मेंट आमचे वाटेन आसा आनीक गव्हर्मेंटाचो सपोर्ट घेवन जे पॅनल आमी फॉर्म केला कुंकळकारांतलें पॅनल, त्या पॅनलाच्या आदारान आमी गव्हर्मेंटा बराबर वचोन उरलेली डेवलपमेंटल जी कामां आसात ती बेगोबेग आमी कंप्लीट करतले. टोटल 12 वार्डांच्यो टोटल फायली पेंडींग आसाय. कम से कम प्रत्येक वार्डान 35 लॅक्सांचो डेवलपमेंट ऑलरेडी बाय 14 फायनान्साचेर ग्रँट जाल्लो आसा. बिकॉज ऑफ कोड ऑफ कंडक्ट टेंडर येवचे आसाय. आतां आमकां एक न्यू चीफ ऑफिसरीक जाय कुंकळे म्युनिसिपालिटीक. हांव गव्हर्मेंटा लागीं मागतां की तेमी आमकां एक फूल टायम चीफ ऑफिसर कुंकळे म्युनिसिपालिटीचेर दिवचो. सदांच कुंकळे म्युनिसिपालिटीचेर इनजस्टीस जाल्लो आसा. हांवें चीफ मिनिस्टरा कडेन हो मुद्दो मांडलो आसा की चीफ ऑफिसर आज कितलेशे लोक कंप्लेन करताय चीफ ऑफिसर सद्या डेप्यूट केला तो 2 दीस आसता, 6 दीस आसना, 1 दीस आसल्यार म्हयनोभर आसना. त्या खातीर कुंकळे म्युनिसिपालिटीक फूल टायम चीफ ऑफिसर दीन कुंकळेची म्युनिसिपालिटीची जी पेंडींग कामां आसात ती पेंडींग कामां कंप्लीट करपा खातीर आमी सगळे 8 काउन्सिलर युनायटेड रावन गव्हर्मेंटा लागीं मागतले आनी गव्हर्मेंटा कडच्यान हेल्प घेवन उरलेली सगळीं कामां करतले. वी आर विथ द गव्हर्मेंट एंड वी वील सपोर्ट द गव्हर्मेंट एंड वॉट एवर द प्रपोजल्स आर देयर ऑफ द गव्हर्मेंट वी वील टेक फोर्थ एंड वी वील सपोर्ट द गव्हर्मेंट प्रपोजल्स. बिकॉज सी नाव 8 काउन्सिलर्स आर देयर टुगेदर and it has been enormously decided to support all the developmental project which is coming up in Kunkolim. So we have to support those developmental project irrespective of those who want to oppose, let them oppose, but developmental project we will not oppose at all.
Today we had a special meeting in the hall of the Kunkolim Municipal Council. So a special meeting for passing a no confidence motion moved by the 8 councillors out of 12. So the meeting was started at 11:30 AM sharp, and we have put the motion for discussions. We have given the opportunities to all the councillors to discuss on the issues, and out of 12, 10 were present for the motion. So after discussions, I have put the motion for vote, and accordingly 8 of the councillors has raised their hands and shown the in favor of the motion. Accordingly, the motion which was moved by the 8 of the councillors against the chairperson for not taking in two considerations for them and also for field to do the developmental work has been passed in the meeting.